Are you seeing the CSI Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before we begin our CSI Library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the CSI Library, the Component Servicing Infrastructure (CSI) core. It manages the localized installation and version tracking of system files in the WinSxS folder. It is critical for the localized stability of the Windows Update service. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Because CSI Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the CSI library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Remember that CSI Library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing CSI Library and maintaining system stability. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including CSI Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission